Well, a lot of people have asked, so now we're going to do it. We're going to build a pocket pole jam and have some fun with it. While the CNC plasma is cutting the P out from the 8-inch sheet, we will cut the pipe and get that ready to weld. So we got the foot base plate cut out from the CNC plasma, 2-inch pipe cut, ready to go. Now we just gotta clean off these burrs. Now we just weld. Alright, almost done here. Alright, so we need to let this cool down so we can paint it, put pad on the bottom, decal, and we can skate it. Alright, well, with a little TV magic, I changed out of my work shirt. Now let's go skate. And with some more TV magic, we got the pocket pole jam ready. And we got Coop here. Yeah, Coop.
Pocket pole jam.
All right, pocket pole jam. This is why it's called pocket pole jam. Skate obstacle fits in your pocket. Pocket pole jam. I don't know, half cab? Half cab?
I could see that.
That sounds scary too. Oh boy. Yep. Why is that so scary?
That was a hockey puck.
Or you can
Half cab hockey puck.
half cab hockey puck. Did I just invent something?
I think you did.
Did I just invent something?
A goal now.
Maybe that'll be in the Olympics. Whoa!
Pocket pole jam over an obstacle. A low obstacle.
Over the buds bar?
Yeah.
I think you ollied.
All right, take two.
I think your tail hit. All right, try that.
Okay. Well, looks like we're doubling down on the bars.
That should work, I guess, right? That side, but I don't know about this.
That looks right up your alley.
Oh,
There it was.
just kind of closed my eyes and went for it. Let me see if I can clean it up a little better. I did have an idea I wanted to do with that thing. These are made out of 2-inch pipe. Pipe is called out by its inside diameter. 2-inch pipe inside diameter. That's a corner piece from the old blunt steel ramp, coping for one of the corners, but that was made out of 2-inch steel tube. Tube is called out by its outside diameter. So the outside diameter 2 inches will fit inside 2-inch pipe. So I've been thinking of like starting here and going up and over to see what it looks like. So I'm thinking something like this. Yeah. See how it fits inside? Oh, dude, this actually might work. Something like that.
Huh. Think it's gonna move though?
Oh, for sure. We're gonna have to put stuff underneath these bolts to kind of secure it. I don't know. Well, put 2x4 under the bolts. Is that it?
You want it completely flush, or you want it to lap over the side a little bit?
I just whatever works, man.
Because that could be like a hang up right here. That's better.
Holy cow. Is that it?
Is it gonna grind?
We'll just wax the crap out of it. Wax. That is a ton of wax.
Huh. That came together faster than I thought.
Pocket pole jam. You going first?
I'll be the filmer. For this one.
Where's the line to it? Is it from over there? Or from right here? Okay. I think it's doable. All right, well.
Oh, just like that.
Oh God.
Too easy.
Can you try it?
You're making it look really easy, but there's a lot that can go wrong with all this cement over here. Let's see this edge right there.
Yeah. It might be cool just to come off right here. Pocket pole jam. They're on the website. So are blunt steel boards. This is an 875. It's what I ride. The warehouse manager rides 8.5. So we have tons of those sizes, and we have other sizes too. Check them out. But be sure to subscribe. The more subscribers we get, the sooner we'll be doing giveaways, giving away decks. Oh, deck rails, custom deck rails made by Lil Johns. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell a friend. That's fun. That's so much fun.